all you ever wanted is an off-road lighting system and more. Are you looking for a powerful, off-road, dimmable electronic lighting system that won't cost you a fortune? Have you had enough with low-quality lights that claim to be bright and steady, but turn out to be disappointing? If yes, then look no further. Primelux is all you need. It comes with easy plug-and-play wiring system, mounting pack, adjustable mount bracket, dimmable switch panel for improved driving experience. The backlit brightness of the switch panel is automatically dimmable according to the brightness variation of the environment and you see fit, such as dash panel, dashboard, center console, overhead sunglasses holder, and others. Make the right choice now. It is easy to clean, portable, and can be installed in any location. Choose Primelux for a better driving experience.